Hi guys, last page for the day. What I want you to do is build me some snowmen. Now, what this is going to look like is you have numbers of beats here in your boxes. So I'm going to have you building me a total of 4 snowmen, and I should have enough of each bubble or of each snowball to give you enough for each. Now, let's say let's do number 7 together. I'm going to ask you to build it differently for me when you get to yours. It says 7 beats. So what I'm going to do down here is a little bit of musical math. So I'm going to look for a snowball worth the most number of beats. I'm going to go with my whole note here because it's worth 4 beats. If you remember, we've got whole note, 4 beats. So that's 4. So I only need now a snowball that is worth 3 beats, or a combination of snowballs that equals 3 beats. So I could either use my half note dot here to be my 3 that adds up to 7, because our half note dot is worth 3. Half note dot. So I could do that and have just a 2 ball snowman, or I could use a half note and shrink it down there a little bit to make it a little bit smaller, or you can make the whole note bigger. It doesn't matter either way. And a quarter note to make it 3 there. So I have a total of 4. And then I have 2. And 1. And that adds up to 7. Now, the last thing I'm going to ask you to do is decorate your snowman a little bit. You can use your drawing tool. You can use whatever you want to give him a little bit of personality. I am going to give him a couple of eyes here. I'm going to give him I'm going to give him a carrot nose and maybe a red licorice smile. I might come down here to my drawing tool. Oops, that's not where I want it to be. I want it to be in shapes. I might use a square. I'll make it black. And if I use a line like that, I can make him a top hat like that one famous snowman that we all know and love at this time of the year. So he looks a little bit like Mr. Frosty here. I could give him a scarf if I wanted to. Maybe I'll draw him a scarf. I kind of like green. It's very Christmassy. Give him a little bit of a scarf there. And if you cover up the notes a little bit, that's okay. And then I want to give him some arms, because nobody likes an armless snowman. Bam. And then I'm done with 1. So then your job is to figure out 5 beats, 3 beats, and 8 beats. So I want you to build me some rhythms depending on which notes you use. I'm going to tell you that this one's worth 4, this one's worth 2, your dotted half note is worth 3, your quarter, your cherry Coke and your grape soda here are worth 1 apiece. So your combinations need to add up. If you have questions or concerns, let me know. Have a good day. Bye.